Got these as a souvenir in Korea. And what these are actually like bird call mimickers. What you need to do is to actually pour some water in here, and it will make a bird noise. If you look at it, at this time it only comes out as a whistle if there's no water in here. I'm going to put some water in. Okay. Oh, maybe not enough water. Okay. Let's try it with this one. Does make the same noise, I believe. Oops. Pretty cool. I thought it was leaking, but I didn't pour the water in correctly and did it too fast on this one, so that's why you see the water leak.